Welcome to Trolleyper channel. Today I am going to show you how to turn off talkback in your Android phone. You can see in my phone talkback is turned on. Now if you have to unlock your phone, just go to lock screen. You have to use your two fingers. Then you have to type your current PIN or password. Then tap on this icon and you can see my phone is unlocked. If you want to disable talkback, then you have to go settings app. Now to use your phone, you have to use two fingers. Now you have to go app screen using two fingers. Then go to settings app, just tap on settings app, then double tap on the settings app. Now from here use two fingers to scroll all the way down. Then tap on accessibility, then double tap on accessibility. Then tap on talkback, then double tap on talkback. Now from here you can turn off talkback. Just tap here and then double tap again, then tap on turn off, then double tap on turn off, and it's done. Now you can see talkback has been turned off successfully. And that is how you can turn off talkback in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.